Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 2439, minimize maximum of array. Okay, it's an interesting problem, and this problem can be solved using multiple ways. For example, we can use binary search, DP, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a simple mathematical formula which I was able to come up while just playing around with the numbers from the example. So the problem statement says that we are given an array nums comprising of n non-negative integers. And in one operation, you must like these are the steps which we have to do at each particular step. Choose an integer I such that I is less than equal to n. So basically, I should be uh, in a valid range of the indices. We have to decrease the index, like the elemental index by one, and we have to increase the previous element by one. Okay, and at the end, we have to return the minimum possible value of the maximum integer of now. So basically, what we have done is after performing all this operation, we have to return the maximum value from the final array. For example, in this case, if you perform all these operations, you're gonna get this array. So you will five is the maximum from this array, right? So we're gonna return that. So while playing around with the numbers, I figured out that this can be done using a simple mathematical formula in which I'll be using prefix sum. And what I'll do is I'll start from first index, let's say, and I'll initialize my current answer at zero. Okay. So currently prefix total is three, right? Three divided by what it is. Index was zero, but we are taking this, like we are taking n integers, right? So I'll divide that by one. So basically, element at index I divided by I plus one. Similarly, for the next element, prefix sum now becomes 10, right? 10 divided by what was it? 2. You're gonna get 5. Okay, so now your maximum sum is 5. Next is what 11. 11 divided by 3. 11 by 3 is gonna be what 3 point something, right? So we're gonna take seal of everything. So 3 point something will get to 4. Similarly for this element as well. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's move to the solution. Okay, so already have the code written down for just wrapping the video very quick. So what we're doing over here is we have a variable called prefix total, which is initialized with zero, and we have a variable called answer, which we will be returning at the end. Okay. Next thing what we want to do is we want to just iterate through this numbers, and I have used enumerate so that I can get the index and the element at the same time. Okay. In prefix total, I'm gonna just simply increment the current number basically, and this condition is also necessary in fact. Uh, yeah, I think this should also work. So what we're doing is we are taking maximum of current answer. And this is something, what I use for getting the seal of the division instead of using another library, math library, which is I use this particular structure in which, you are just taking the calculation on the other side of the line. For example, let's assume or let's just imagine you have a number line, and at the center you have zero, right? On the right hand side, there are all the positive integers, and on the left, there are all the negative integers. So, what I'm doing is I'm taking the calculations of the floor division from the positive side to the negative side and again negating it. Okay. So, this is the seal division basically. And at the end, I'm just returning the answer. Let's check out the test cases. Yeah, so the test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted, and I would say like we performed decent. We are up on around 62% submitted solution. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching out the video and stay tuned for upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.